Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. So today we're going to be fixing this Parker number 6. All we've got to do is profile these jaws, cut some teeth onto them, drill them for the and make new pins for it. And then we will be heat treating them and shipping this whole vise back to Wisconsin, where it came from. So as I said, this is a Parker number 6. You've seen it on my channel before. You've seen it on Steve Summers' channel. I took it up there to him and using his shaper because I didn't own one yet. He kindly cut the inside portion out for us, which only leaves me, like I said, serrations. The top radius of this jaw here. Here's the old jaw for reference. So we're going to be doing the top radius, be cutting teeth, and drilling 2 pinholes, maybe 3. Alright, we're going to take about 1/2 inch off this. Yes, sir, I just did it. See what I did? Not good. Not good. Dang it. We'll take 50 thou. Okay, so we got to figure out how to hold this and have our full travel on our 30 degree. These are big jaws, and there's really no good way to hold these besides long ways. Wait, does this vise not open as far as the other one? It better. Oh, son of a bitch. Really don't want to take that damn vise off there. What am I thinking? We can hold them like this because both sides are flat now. I've about tore my damn vise up. Alright guys, we're just going to check these first. Something I should have done before I took them off. Okay. guess I need a clamp first. These vices are a real pain. Okay. If my shop wasn't crowded with these cabinets, I would be using something to pick that up. Hey guys, I forgot to mention, I'm sure you saw these in the video. We got about 5, maybe 6 cabinets. These are upper cabinets that are going to be hung, some behind the shaper. Some are going to be hung behind me here. Probably up around here. Maybe one where the deer is. But anyway, figured I'd throw that in there for you. Alright, let's see if I can get this thing in here without busting a gut. Oh man, it's gonna be tough. Okay. That's what I needed to find out, was how flat they are for doing the serrations. Oops. We're gonna thin these down a little bit. Gotta fix that jaw real quick. We're gonna grind this towards our face here. No, maybe not. That'll work just fine until we get our new jaw in. Because since breaking this, I ordered one about 5 minutes ago. So, always doing something really stupid. Alright, we're going to take 40 thou off of here. $1,600 RPM, 8 inches a minute. Alright, so the original, of course they're worn down. That's 437. We're gonna do a 1/2 inch thick. We're not gonna mic it, so we need to take 108 thou off of there. Taking 20 thou. That 15 thou. We'll shim that up some. I do have a 15 thou piece of shim stock laying over here. Okay, that's better. Okay. There we go. Now we have complete travel front to back, so I've got to tighten these down before I forget. Locking them down at 30 degrees here. 30 degrees is pretty much the standard. Pretty much standard from most manufacturers. Some of them did them vertically. Some of them did swept serrations, which is something that I do want to try and figure out. You can take a fly cutter at the right RPMs with a single point, like a threading tool on there, and power feed the table underneath it. And you can get serration patterns that are radius. So radius diamond patterns. Me and a buddy of mine are trying to figure it out. I am going to fast forward this a lot because with the depth of cut we need right here, about 60 thou, I'm going to have to blow that air to keep everything cool, and it's extremely loud. So. Yeah. All right, I think this is going to work. so we got the teeth cut on this vise. Now all we need to do is shape it and put some pins in it and then heat treat it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and get it shaped and get these fit to the vise. I've got them seated together good. So I think instead of milling this, I'm actually just gonna grind these, because no two jaws I ever saw were the same. I'm not sure if these were milled on top. They might have been, but I think a nice ground finish will be fine. And this vise has had some lots of work, lots of life. There's some weld up here. So I think that's what we're gonna go with. I'm gonna grind the sides too. I don't think I'm gonna put it up in the milling machine. We're just gonna hand finish everything, I believe. And I'm just double checking, make sure everything's fitting fine.